Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IGNOU Mentor. In today's video, we are going to talk about BATS, BTSP-01 and BTSP-02 project reports. If you are an IGNOU student and confused about how to prepare these reports, what sections to include and the important points to keep in mind, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I will be sharing step-by-step guidance to make your project report easier and more effective. So let's begin this video from the guideline of BTSP-01 project. Okay, so this is the guideline given by Indira Gandhi National Open University for BATS program. Okay, for projects of BATS program, there are two projects that you have to make under BATS program, which is BTSP-001 and BTSP-002. Okay, so you can download this particular guideline from your browser. You can search BTSP-01 project guideline. You may get the link where from where you can download it. Okay, now the most important thing, and you will get all the information regarding this project in this guideline. Okay, however, I'm taking you to the most important thing, which is project proposal. So before making project proposal, you need to have a good topic for you. So you need to understand what are the themes provided by the IGNOU on which you can make the project. Okay, so let's talk about the theme here, identifying the theme. So these are the themes given by IGNOU on which you have to make your proposal. Okay, so I'm just telling you in brief. It's about Indian culture, local attitudes towards like monuments, architecture, or local crafts, theater group, folk music, and it must be related to culture or environmental tourism, ecology, or something. I'm gonna show you some most used topics in BTSP-01 project. Okay, so I'll just do this. Okay, so you can see this is BTSP-01 project topics. Okay, so this is case study of local travel agencies and its role in tourism promotion, report on hotel operations, front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, a study of transport services for tourists in Delhi and NCR. These are some topics for BTSP-01, and these are of BTSP-02. It must be related to marketing or something like that. Okay, adventure tourism in Rishikesh, or study of medical tourism in India, with a special reference to Delhi, marketing of medical tourism, or marketing of adventure tourism in Himachal Pradesh, or something like that. These kind of topics you may use for your project report. Now next thing is project proposal. Okay, so after identifying the area of the study proper and the proper theme, you should prepare project proposal. It has to be under 400 words. Okay, so you have to make it in 400 words only, the project proposal I'm talking about. And these are the things that you have to remember. Okay, Before submitting the proposal, you may read this and then submit the proposal for approval. After getting the approval for your project proposal, you may go ahead and make your project. Okay, so in making your project, you have to mention some very important things in your project report, like what are the data you have used, like primary data or secondary data. Okay, if your study is based on primary data, you have to show the data collected through questionnaire or any tool you're going to be used. Okay, so those things has to be given in your project report. Okay, you have to clearly mention your rationale of the study, objective of the study, and for the data which you have used in your project report, you have to write the findings, conclusion, and recommendations if you have any recommendations from your study. Okay, so basically I told you the practical way of making your project. However, if you want detailed information regarding how to make the project, you can study this, write your report. Okay, and this is project proposal pro forma. This is the first page of your project proposal. You have to attach with your personal information in a project proposal for approval from your supervisor. These are the annexes that you have to attach in your project report. And see, it's there are things which have been clearly mentioned here. BTSP-01 project on Indian culture, environmental and tourism. So these topics, it's not actually topics, these are the themes, and it's about Indian culture, environment and tourism. It is about BTSP-001, and the next one is BTSP-002 project on tourism marketing. So your BTSP-01 project topic must be about Indian culture, environment and tourism. Okay, and your second project, which is BTSP-002, must be about tourism marketing. Okay, like segmentation of tourism marketing or consumer research or advertising, publicity, media, comparative analysis of pricing strategies. So you have to understand this before making your project. Okay, so these are the overall thing I told you about this particular project. However, if you have any problem in making your project, you can write in the comment, or if you need a customized project and you directly want to submit it, you can contact us. We'll help you for that as well. So this was the complete guide on BATS program, BTSP-01 and BTSP-02 project reports. I hope the video helped you understand the process clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more updates on IGNOU project report and study materials. And if you have any doubts or need customized project report or any kind of support, feel free to drop your question in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.